Have you ever wondered how basketball became one of the world's most popular sports? Today, we're going to take an amazing journey through basketball history, from its very beginning to today's superstars. The story of basketball began in the winter of 1891 in Springfield, Massachusetts. A gym teacher named Dr. James Naismith had a big problem. It was too cold and snowy for his students to play outside, and they were getting restless and bored indoors. Dr. Naismith thought hard about this challenge. He needed a game that wouldn't be too rough for the small gymnasium, but would still be exciting and athletic. Then he had a brilliant idea. He asked the janitor for 2 peach baskets and nailed them to the balcony at each end of the gym, about 10 feet high. He grabbed a soccer ball and created 13 basic rules for his new game. The very first basketball game was played on December 21st, 1891, with 9 players on each team. Every time someone scored, they had to climb a ladder to get the ball out of the peach basket. Basketball is actually pretty simple to understand. 2 teams try to score points by shooting a ball through the other team's hoop. Players can run, jump, and pass the ball, but they can't carry it like in football. They have to bounce it while moving, which is called dribbling. A regular game has 5 players on each team on the court at once: a point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, and a center. The team with the most points when time runs out wins. Dr. Naismith's original 13 rules included many ideas we still use today, like not being allowed to run with the ball and the idea that fouls would result in penalties. But the game changed quickly. By 1906, metal hoops with nets replaced those old peach baskets, making the game much faster. The first professional basketball league started in 1898, but it only lasted 6 years. Basketball kept growing though, and by the 1930s, it was being played in colleges across America. The sport even became part of the Olympics in 1936. The National Basketball Association, or NBA, was formed in 1949 when 2 older leagues combined. This created the professional basketball league we know today. Some of the greatest players in history helped make basketball the exciting sport it is now. Wilt Chamberlain amazed everyone by scoring 100 points in a single game in 1962, a record that still stands today. Magic Johnson and Larry Bird had an incredible rivalry in the 1980s that made basketball super popular. Then came Michael Jordan, who many people think is the greatest basketball player ever. He won 6 championships with the Chicago Bulls and could seem to fly through the air. More recently, players like LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, and Stephen Curry have continued to amaze fans with their incredible skills. LeBron has played in the NBA for over 20 years and is still going strong. Stephen Curry changed the game by showing how powerful 3-point shooting can be. Basketball isn't just popular in America anymore. It's played all over the world. The Basketball World Cup features teams from dozens of countries, and many of today's NBA stars come from places like Greece, Slovenia, and Canada. Here are some fun facts about basketball. The hoop is exactly 10 feet high, just like Dr. Naismith's original peach baskets. A basketball court is 94 feet long and 50 feet wide. From peach baskets in a cold Massachusetts gym to arenas filled with thousands of cheering fans around the world, basketball has come a long way. Who knows? Maybe one of you will be the next great basketball star to make history.